So this week we've been out and about again here on the channel, and this time we were visiting Beamish, which is a huge open air museum in the northeast of England, where it's got things like the 1820s, the 1900s, the 1900s pit village, the 1940s, things like that. But this time we're visiting because the NECPWA, which is the North of England classic and pre-war automobiles, had their last car show of the season, so take a look as we have a walk around. Now hopefully if I ever actually get round to either my Volvo 480 or the BMW Z3 being ready, then hopefully I'm going to be able to appear at some of the NECPWA events. I'm going to be joining up and hopefully registering the cars there and taking a look around. You can take a look at their website, NECPWA.org, which has all the information and also a list of all of the events and things like that that they're up to. Really worth having a look and finding a bit more about them. And actually they had such a large number at this show as well, as you will see shortly, along with a nice chap who had a nice red Z3 that I've just shown you at the minute and comes along later on in the video. Lovely car, lovely fella as well. Hopefully I'll catch up with him at some future shows too.